Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to delete apps on Android phone. If you have reached your maximum storage on your phone, then you need to simply delete the apps that you're not using anymore or unnecessary to free some space. To do this, you can go to your settings of your phone. Next, navigate to Apps section and tap it. Now, open the app management from the options here. Simply look for the apps that you wish to delete and then open it. You'll see here the option Uninstall. Tap it and confirm your action by tapping OK. It will delete the app on your phone and free some space. You can do this to other apps. For a simple way to delete apps is go over to your home screen. Now look for the app that you want and then long press it. Now, select Uninstall in the pop-up and confirm your action by tapping again the Uninstall button. That's basically how you do it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much!